In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vendors in QuickBooks Online. Managing your vendors effectively is a key part of keeping your business organized, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to create and manage vendor profiles. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or adding a new vendor to your existing list, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a registration link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on the Expenses tab. This will open up a list of options related to your business expenses. Next, select Vendors from the available options under the Expenses category. This is where all your vendor information will be displayed once you've added them to your account. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled New Vendor. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a form where you can input all the details for the vendor you want to add. Start by entering the vendor's name in the designated field. This could be the name of the company or the individual you're working with. After that, add the vendor's contact information. This includes their phone number and email address. Be sure to double-check these details to ensure they're accurate, as this is how you'll communicate with them. Next, input the vendor's address. Make sure to format it correctly so there's no confusion later when you need to send documents or payments. If applicable, you can also enter the vendor's bank account details. This is especially useful if you plan to make bill payments directly through QuickBooks. Simply add the relevant banking information here. Now, move on to the tax information section. If your vendor is eligible for a Denny 99 form, be sure to fill out this section completely. QuickBooks will use this information to help you manage your tax reporting more efficiently. Additionally, there's a notes section where you can include any extra details about the vendor. This could be things like payment terms, special instructions, or any other information that might be helpful to reference in the future. Once you've filled out all the required fields, take a moment to review everything you've entered. This is your chance to catch any errors or missing information before saving the vendor profile. When you're confident that everything looks correct, click the Save button, which is located at the bottom right corner of the form. After saving, verify that the new vendor has been successfully added by checking the vendor's list. You should see their name and details appear there. And that's it. You've successfully added a new vendor in QuickBooks Online. If you have more vendors to add, simply repeat this process for each one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.